Okay, okay. I'll be there right away. Boss, your bag fell. Thank you. You're welcome. Give it to me for a moment. There were 30,000 yuan in my bag. How come it disappeared when you picked it up? I don't know. I just picked it up and gave it to you. Stop talking nonsense. Bring your bag here. I'll check it out. What are you looking at? My shoelaces are untied. Help me tie them. The shoelaces are tied. Sorry, I tied them wrong just now. I'm returning your bag with my money at home. It's okay. Life is not easy. Please work harder. I hope your grandpa gets well soon. Hello, Grandma. What? Grandpa's forehead disease has recurred. The medical expenses are still 30,000 yuan. Okay, Grandma, go first. Don't worry, I will find a way to collect the medical expenses, Grandma. I'm going to die first. I wish that the one I kissed will never come and will only wait for you.